Imagine you are at your favorite coffee shop. The barista knows exactly what you want, a cappuccino with extra foam. But have you ever wondered how this simple interaction reflects the principles of object-oriented programming? Welcome to the Java programming series. I am Ganesh Kumar, Assistant Professor at PG Department of Computer Science, Sadakutullah Upper College, Tirunelveli. Thanks for joining me in this video series. In today's session, we kickstart off object-oriented programming, a core component of Java that makes the programming flexible and more powerful. A powerful programming paradigm that transforms the way we design software. In this video, we will explore 4 fundamental principles of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Object-oriented programming, or OOPS, a paradigm that makes software development as seamless as ordering your favorite coffee. The coffee machine is like a class. It bundles all the parts and functions need to make a coffee. The ingredients, water, coffee beans, and milk are its data. The buttons you press are the methods. They define what the machine does with the ingredients. OOPS focus on objects, that bundles of data and functions working together. This paradigm offers a modular, secure, and reusable approach to the software development. Let's break down its core principles. Encapsulation. This is encapsulation. Just the coffee machine hides its internal workings. Encapsulation ensures that a class keeps its inner details private and exposing only what necessary through controlled interfaces. Encapsulation ensures sensitive data is protected and only accessible through specific methods. In this example, the name field is private. It can only access or modified through getName and setName methods, it ensuring the data integrity and security. Abstraction. Abstraction is like the menu at the coffee shop. You see the options: cappuccino, latte, or espresso. But you don't need to worry about how the machines bring them to life. Think of abstraction as simplifying the complexity. It hides the complicated details of implementation and allow you to focus on what an object does. In this example, the shape class defines a general behavior, while the circle class specifies how that behavior is executed. This separation allows for flexibility and clear code. Inheritance. The advanced coffee machine is like a child class. It inherits the essential features of the original machine while adding its unique ability to make a cold coffee. This demonstrates how OOPS allows existing functionality to be extended without starting from scratch. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class, promoting co-reuse and establishing relationship between classes. Here, the dog class inherits from animal and overrides the sound method to provide its unique behavior. This makes it easy to create a hierarchy of related objects. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is like the coffee machine's ability to handle different requests, whether it is a cappuccino or a flat white. The machine adapts to deliver the desired drink. Polymorphism means many forms enable the same operation to behave differently depending on the context. In this example, even though the object is of type of animal, it behaves like a cat because of runtime polymorphism. This allows for dynamic and flexible code execution. Benefits of OOPS. OOPS principles offer several benefits. Modularity. It simplifies development by dividing the system into manageable objects. Code reusability. Inheritance reduces redundancy across the applications. Flexibility and scalability. Polymorphism supports extending functionality without breaking the existing code. Enhanced security. Encapsulation safeguards the sensitive data. Just as your favorite coffee shop combines efficiency with the customization, OOPS principles empower you to design software that is robust, adaptable, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching. I hope this introduction to object-oriented programming in Java is more useful. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.